Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices and enabling core features. Update your iPhone and Apple Watch, then put the watch on snugly so sensors read reliably. Open Health, tap Sleep and create a sleep schedule. Make sure sleep mode is enabled. In the Watch app, confirm wrist detection and heart rate permissions. These let the watch log motion and biometrics. Once done, charge to at least 30% before bed. Make sure guided wind down settings match your schedule. Next, you enable the detailed tracking options and set how the watch behaves. In the Watch app on iPhone, turn on Track Sleep with Apple Watch and allow health permissions. This instructs the watch to record movement and heart rate while you sleep. Configure wind down shortcuts and sleep screen to reduce distractions. Set Do Not Disturb for your sleep window. Adjust battery settings so the watch stays between 30 and 80% overnight, and once done, make minor power tweaks to preserve recording. Finally, you review results and make adjustments so tracking improves over time. Open the Sleep app on your watch or Health on iPhone to view nightly summaries, sleep duration, and trends. You can add naps or tweak your schedule to match reality. If data looks off, adjust sensitivity and ensure the watch sits comfortably. Once done, sync and give it a few nights to stabilize. Troubleshooting tip: if sleep isn't recorded consistently, restart both devices, unpair and repair the watch, and install any pending updates. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.